Hello students, welcome to my channel Charta Tutorial. In this video I am going to give you class 9 mathematics MCQ. Let us start. The perpendicular distance of the point 3, 4 from the y-axis is, the perpendicular distance from the y-axis is the abscissa. Here abscissa is 3, correct option is 3. Which of the following is not an axiom of congruency of triangle? Here AAA or angle is not an congruency criterion. Which one of the following is not a rational number? We know that square root of prime numbers are irrational, therefore root 2 is an irrational number. That is not rational. The equation y equal to 7 minus 2x has, this is a linear equation in two variables, it has infinite number of solutions. The coordinate of the point on x-axis is, any point on the x-axis is in the form x, 0, that is correct option is 2, 0. The value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 2 at x equal to 2 is, here if we put x equal to 2 we get the value is minus 4. The point minus 4, 0 lie on, since the ordinate is 0 therefore it lie on the x-axis. The equation of a line parallel to y-axis, it is in the form x plus a equal to 0, that is correct option is B, x plus 4 by 3 equal to 0. One of the solution of the equation 5x plus 2 equal to y is, here if we put x equal to minus 1 we get the value of y is minus 3, that is correct option is C. The value of a to the power 0 is, we know that anything to the power 0 equal to 1, correct option is B. The degree of the polynomial x to the power 7 minus 7x to the power 6 plus 3x to the power 5 plus 9x to the power 4 y to the power 4 is, in this case most of the students do mistake, they give the answer as 7, but it is not 7, it is 8, because in the last term the power of x is 4 and y is 4, that is degree is 8. The coordinate of the point where the equations 2y plus 3x equal to 6 touches the y-axis is, it touches the y-axis means x equal to 0. Since the equation touches the y-axis, there is value of x is 0, our correct option is 0, 3. The rational number between 3 and 4 is, here option A is correct because 27 by 6 is between 3 and 4. The 0 of the polynomial px equal to 3x minus 2 is, if we put 3x minus 2 equal to 0, we get x equal to 2 by 3. The coordinate of the origin of the Cartesian plane, at the origin both the value of x and y is 0, that is correct option is 0, 0. If triangle PQ are congruent to triangle EFD and QR equal to FD, since QR corresponds to FD, therefore here measure of angle E equal to P. If x plus a is a factor of fx, then f minus a equal to 0. The sum of the angles of a triangle by angle sum property, it is 180 degree. Measure of an angle of an equal triangle is equal to, in equal triangle all angles are equal, therefore measure is 180 by 3, that is 60 degree. In the figure AOB is a line, the value of x will be, here 40 degree plus 4x plus 3x equal to 180 degree. By solving this we get the value of x as 20 degree. In triangle ABC, if AB equal to AC, angle B 70 degree, then measure of angle A. Here AB equal to AC means the measure of angle B and angle C are same, that is 70, 70, 140 degree, that is angle A will be 40 degree. The abscissa of the point, abscissa is the x coordinate, that is minus 4. The equation of the line which passes through the point 3, 10 is, Here if we put x equal to 3 and y equal to 10, we get equation C, 4x minus y equal to 2 is correct answer. The value of the reflex angle lies between 180 degree and 360 degree. That is correct option is D. Which of the following is a linear polynomial? Linear polynomial degree is 1. That is correct option is x plus 1. Find out the irrational number. Irrational number, the square root of prime numbers are irrational. That is our correct option is root 3. The size of the class interval 14.5 and 20.5. If we subtract upper limit minus lower limit is the class size, that is 6. If y coordinate of a point is 0, then the point always lie on the y coordinate 0 means it lie on the x-axis. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral where angle A equal to twice angle C. So we know that the sum of the opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. Therefore, we get angle A equal to 120 degree. The number 7.478478 bar is A. It is a non-terminating but recurring decimal, therefore it is a rational number. Every point on the number line represents a unique number. The decimal representation of a rational number is either terminating or repeating. The decimal expansion that a rational number cannot have, this option D, it is non-terminating, non-recurring. The quadrilateral formed by joining the midpoints of a rectangle is a rhombus. The class mark of the class interval, class mark is upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2, that is 142.5. The diagonals of a rhombus are option A, perpendicularly bisected by each other. If n is a natural number, then root n is. It is sometimes a natural number and sometimes an irrational number. Which of the following cannot be the probability of an event? We know that the probability of an event lies between 0 and 1, that is 1.5 cannot be the probability of an event. Curved surface area of a cylinder, curved surface area 2 pi rh, it is option C. The maximum value of probability of an event is 1. The measure of side of a cube having surface area 294 cm square is. We know that if the length of the side of a cube is L, then total surface area equal to 6L square. That is L square equal to 294 by 6, that is 49. L equal to 7 cm. If the radius of a circle is 10 cm, then the length of the longest chord of the circle is. Radius 10 cm means diameter 20. We know that longest chord is the diameter. Therefore, correct option is 20 cm. The quadrant in which 4,3 minus 4,3 lie is second quadrant. In a cricket match, if a batsman hits a boundary 6 times out of 30 balls, then the probability that he hits a boundary is, probability is 6 by 30, that is 1 by 5. The total surface area of a hemisphere of radius r is. We know that total surface area equal to 3 pi r square, that is option is D. Number of circle can be drawn through 3 non-collinear points is. We can draw a circle through 3 non-collinear points, that is option is 1. The value of an angle on a semicircle is, we know that the value of an angle of a semicircle is 90 degree. The sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is, the sum of the angles is 360 degree by angle sum property. The area of a triangle on the same base and between the same parallels are equal.